How to stop message requests on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So to do that we just have to go on our Messenger app and then you have to click on your profile photo, which is in the left top corner. So click on that. And then from here I want to show you my message requests. As you can see, I have a bunch of them. So we have to go back and then scroll down until you find privacy at preferences, and then from here you have to go on the first option, which is message delivery. In here you can choose which people can send you a message request. You can go on the first option, people with your phone number, so you can set this to don't receive requests or message requests. You can go back and do this as well for friends of friends, or you can go to others on Facebook and you can set this to don't receive requests. So if a certain person is bothering you, you just have to go on your Facebook and then search for that person. So I will go to a random person from here. So I will go to this person right here. It really does not matter. And you have to click on those three dots from the right of the page. So click on that and you can block this person. So now she will not be able to send you some message requests. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.